So I'm Kevin. I'm born and bred Singaporean. I used to live in the US where I was a DJ, and I used to do a genre called electro swing, which was all about trying to make old sounds new. So what I'm really passionate about now is trying to figure out what Singapore house sounds like, just as how does Afro house. And today I'll be sharing one example of something that's inspired by that concept. Well, when I used to DJ, I found that electro swing is quite a niche genre. So at one point, I basically played every electro swing song that existed at that time, and I was like, surely there's more, right? And as a philosophy major, I always wanted to understand things from the ground up. So I joined the music production because I wanted to see how can you really break down a song to its most basic elements, and then from there create something that really expressed that vision. And I didn't know how to use any of this. I was not musically trained, and so being in an environment where people do that, I think was great. There's something quite magical about being able to make something yourself. I had a few different songs that I was really inspired by, and then being able to create something that was of a similar vibe, I found to be very profound, very touching. And it's one of these things where you start and then a few hours pass and you don't really notice. So that was really beautiful to experience that sense of flow, I think. Yeah. I think it's really great to have somebody walk you through things in a systematic way, and also to have a community of friends to perform with. I really liked having that community, and it just really gets you going, it was really great. So it's about joy and persistence. Maybe the last motif I was quite inspired by was, in Interstellar, that very persistent sound of haunting and desiring, even against the vastness of space. That's kind of the vibe I was trying to go for.